Hello everyone, myself Dr. Padmavati Rathod. So today I want to share some of my patients' experience with you. This video has made to help the people who are having COVID positive or not having COVID positive for them also. Okay, see, day by day the COVID viral infection is increasing, and because of decreased oxygen saturation level, people are dying. Yes. So this is the time we have to adopt some of the lung exercise, some of the breathing exercise which can help to increase the oxygen level in our lungs. So our science, our Indian medical science, the Ayurveda and Yoga have given a gift for our society, that is the pranayama. Yes, in my patient, the patient who were having COVID positive, who were having 90 to 92% of oxygen saturation level, has increased 98 to 100. This is only with the Yoga and Ayurveda. See, so mainly here the pranayama helps a lot. So what all pranayama we can do during the viral infection or before to stop the viral infection? Or the first one is doing long breathing exercise. See, what you have to do is inhale slowly and exhale slowly. So while inhaling, you just think you are getting all positive the strength from the nature, and while exhaling, you just think you are leaving all your negative energy, your pain, everything you are removing from your body. Yes, definitely nature will help. As the word says, we are like Pindanda. Yata Brahmanda Tata Pindanda means how the nature is like that only we are. We are a part of nature, isn't it? Whatever you will ask to your parents, definitely they'll give, isn't it? Likewise, whatever we will ask to the nature with a good mind, definitely nature will help. So, you do this pranayama at least 5 minutes, otherwise 20 to 30 rounds of this long breathing exercise. Okay, so the next one is Anuloma Viloma or Nadi Shuddhi. Yes, many of you know it. Yes, definitely it will help to remove the excess mucus from your lungs, and it will help to reduce the inflammatory reaction in your lungs. Okay, so what you have to do is just you close your right nostril and inhale through your left nostril and close the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. At the same stretch, inhale through the right nostril and close your right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. This is one cycle. Likewise, you have to practice 10 to 15 cycles at least. Okay, so this will definitely help to increase the oxygen level in your body. So next one is Brahmani. Yes, the word Brahmani here, the word Brahmani has came from the word Brahmara. Brahmara means in Sanskrit, it is a verb which does the humming sound. So here also you have to do is humming sound. So what you have to do is close the mouth, okay, close your ears and inhale slowly, and while exhaling, what you have to do is Makara you have to say. Close your mouth and start. Like this, you have to do at least 5 to 10 cycles. Definitely, it will create a positive energy or positive vibration in your body, and it increases the nitrate oxide in your body, which has been proven that it will reduce the inflammatory reactions in your body. Okay, so inflammation, it will help to remove the inflammation. So this will definitely helps, and I was telling, isn't it? So in my patient, by doing these pranayama only, they have increased from 90 to 100 level of oxygen saturation level. Okay, and remember this: if you are having oxygen saturation level less than 90, definitely you need a doctor support. Okay, so don't try it if it is less than 90, and if you are not COVID positive or if you are not infected also, start practicing from today itself. Okay, so the next one is saying Omkara. See, the word or the letter Om only have 3 letters, that is A, U, M. By saying this Omkara, whatever stress we are having because of by seeing this social media or visualizing the TV programs, whatever the negative energy we are getting, this can be removed by saying Omkara. This Omkara will soothe your mind, it will soothe your body, it will help to remove the negative energy from your body. Yes, definitely it will help to improve the positive energy in your body. So at least 5 to 10 times you can practice this, and these pranayama will definitely help to increase the oxygen saturation level. Okay, so another one is, I was telling you that Anuloma Viloma. See, along with that, so you can do is take inhale. For inhaling in Sanskrit we will call it as Puraka, and hold it at least 10 to 30 seconds. Actually we can hold up to 1 minute. Definitely at this time you can start from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Hold it. We will call it as Kumbhaka. Okay, and slowly exhale it. Okay, so by doing this, your lungs capacity will increase. Okay, oxygenation to your lungs will be increased. Okay, so along with this, yes, everyone is knowing that by doing prone position, your the posterior part of your lung will get lot of oxygenation. Okay, so we will call it in yoga, we will call it as Makarasana. You can practice this also. Okay, so by doing these pranayama, definitely you can increase your oxygen level at your home. Please share this video as much as possible so that we can help to the need. Okay, I think this video has helped you a lot. Thank you.